Have you ever noticed how something so small can quietly sit in the ear and still change how the world sounds? In moments like this, a dry cluster of earwax can sometimes be seen resting near the outer canal, firm, layered, almost like it's been there for quite a while. Many people assume earwax should simply disappear on its own. But in reality, wax can occasionally dry out and gather near the entrance of the ear, forming small flakes or clumps like the one being gently lifted here. Nothing dramatic is happening, just a slow buildup that likely formed over time. In places across the US, especially during quieter routines, like reading the morning newspaper or watching a baseball game on TV, subtle changes in sound clarity are sometimes what first makes people notice something feels a little different. That's why some people choose simple ear care tools designed for gentle viewing and cleaning at home. If you're curious, the one shown here is mentioned in the description and pinned comment. And once you see how wax can quietly collect like this, it does make you wonder how often it goes unnoticed. Earwax actually plays a helpful role. It can trap dust and slowly move outward on its own. But when the texture becomes dry or flaky, that natural movement may slow down, allowing small clusters to linger near the outer canal. If small everyday details like this interest you, you're always welcome to stop by and watch another one. Enjoy the video, and have a calm, happy weekend.